Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to download Prezi as an app on your PC. So to start, go to prezi.com, and once you're on the main page, look at the bottom left side and click download Prezi apps. Once you click that in here, you can download for Windows or for Mac OS. So click download for Windows. So it will ask you to upgrade your plan. Another thing you can do is to click the three dots at the top right, then go to More Tools and go to Apps and click Install this site as an app. So you can rename it in here and click Install to confirm the action. So click on Allow and that's it. You can now use it as an app on your PC. Then sign in into your Prezi account. If you want to pin it to your taskbar, just click the three dots, then click Pin to Taskbar. Or you can also right click the logo in here and click Pin to Taskbar. If you want to uninstall it, go to Start menu and go to Settings. Then go to Apps or Installed Apps. Then search for Prezi. Click the three dots right here at the right side and click Uninstall and confirm the action. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.